On August 13th, 2025, seeing he's here, 2152 northbound here, let's check it out. And that was the brand new SD75IACC of the new 83 and 40. Wow. That's the highest phone number I've caught now. My goodness. Now here she is, handling what looks to be either 343 or 301. We're going to find out soon enough. Yep, 343. M343, 91 up to 13. Starting at Brickyard here in Indiana. Heading up to 60 here in Big Mansion, Canada. He was also helping out. You gotta be kidding me! Another new SD75IACC rebuild. This time, it was the 8339. Both of those locomotives were previously on the 8490 and 491 a few days back. Now here they are at the 343. The 8339 had the LED CPU lights on. They rolled by the camera. Here's the last of it. TX4385 and train devices going. And that is a highlight of the night. Ha ha! Nice! Does not get any cooler than that, folks. Oh, goodness. How about that? They must have met the 564 down at Lublin. My oh my. Amazing. So that is going to do it for the M343 91 of the 13th. And we'll do it for the pair of SD75IACC rebuilds, the newest ones that I've at last gotten, plus the higher numbers, highest numbers that is, that I've gotten now, which I am very impressed. And that would be the new 8340 and 8339. Nice. And it looks like signals will go back up for another northbound that will follow behind. Excuse me. And that's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time. And I hope I will see you along the main line. See you and haze out.